The Knowledge Library Daily Current Affairs, News Headlines 12th December 2023. National News. Parliament has passed the Jammu and Kashmir Reservation Amendment Bill 2023 and the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Amendment Bill 2023 with Rajya Sabha approving it today. In a significant move, Supreme Court has upheld the validity of Centre's decision to abrogate Article 370 of the Constitution of India, which granted special status to the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir. In Madhya Pradesh, senior BJP leader Dr. Mohan Yadav will be the new Chief Minister of the state. He was unanimously elected to this post in the BJP legislature party meeting held today. Lok Sabha today took up discussion on demands for excess grants for 2020 to 2021 fiscal and supplementary demands for first batch grants for 2023 to 24. The government has said that 58 airports in the country have been covered under the Krishi Udan scheme. The government today said that e-Shram cards have been issued to over 29 crore unorganized workers registered on the e-Shram portal. The government has said that no proposal is under consideration for the restoration of the old pension scheme for central government employees. A 3-day global partnership on artificial intelligence GPI Summit 2023 will begin in New Delhi tomorrow. The government will procure 2 lakh tons of onion during this Kharif season to make available enough quantity of the crop in the market. Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia said India's bioeconomy has grown 8 times in the last 8 years, from 10 billion to 80 billion. The government has set an agriculture credit target of 20 lakh crore rupees for the 2023 to 24 fiscal. Minister of State for Personnel Dr. Jitendra Singh said that the government is working on appropriate steps to ease of lives of pensioners in the country. The BJP has welcomed the verdict of the Supreme Court on the abrogation of Article 370 and termed it a landmark decision. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today launched the Viksit Bharat Act 2047 Voice of Youth and also addressed the Vice Chancellors and heads of other higher education institutes, including students across the nation virtually. Social Justice and Empowerment Minister Dr. Virendra Kumar handed over the 1 crore unique disability ID Udit card to a 2-year-old Divyang girl Vanshika Nandakishore Mane of Maharashtra in New Delhi today. Congress has demanded that the centre should conduct elections in Jammu and Kashmir as soon as possible and also restore full statehood. Dr. Vilas Sapkal, Vice-Chancellor of NGM University, said that the youth has an eminent part to play in making of developed India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said the Supreme Court verdict on the abrogation of Article 370 is historic and constitutionally upholds the decision taken by Parliament on 5th August 2019. President Draupadi Murmu today paid floral tributes to former President Pranab Mukherjee on his birth anniversary at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla has accepted the resignation of Member of Parliament Anumala Revant Reddy from the effect of 8th of this month. The government today said that the steps taken by it over the years has helped to keep the food inflation under control. Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar has reconstituted the panel of Vice Chairperson comprising 8 members with effect from today. Union Minister for Tourism and Culture G. Kishan Reddy has revealed that the number of tourists coming from abroad has increased due to the development of the tourism sector in the country. President Draupadi Murmu will be on a 2-day visit to Uttar Pradesh beginning today. During her visit, she will grace events in Varanasi and Lucknow. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has expressed happiness over the unveiling of the statue of Tamil poet and philosopher Thiruvalluvar in Cergy, France. India will host the 4-day 27th WIPA World Investment Conference in New Delhi beginning today. External Affairs Ministry has asserted that reports of a secret memo are fake and completely fabricated, and there is no such memo. State News. The President of India, Draupadi Murmu, graced the 27 years celebration of Divine Heart Foundation at Lucknow today. In a landmark step, Chief Minister of Odisha, Naveen Patnaik, today inaugurated India's largest state-of-the-art sports science centre at the Kalinga Stadium in Bhubaneswar. In Rajasthan, the BJP legislature party will meet tomorrow afternoon in Jaipur to elect its leader. All newly elected BJP legislators have been directed to attend the meeting. In Mizoram, the first sitting of the 9th Mizoram Legislative Assembly will begin tomorrow. In Mizoram, the week-long winter festival was set into motion today at Assam Rifles Ground Lamuel in the heart of Aswal city. The festival was inaugurated by Tourism Minister Lalin Puil. Puducherry, LT Governor Dr. Tamilisai Soundarajan calls for new condition of brain gain instead of brain drain. Gujarat Governor Acharya Devavrat says high time to come out of slave mentality and build a future generation skill. Sikkim, Dalai Lama arrived in Gangtok on a 3-day visit. State government accorded him a gracious reception. International news. In the ongoing Russia-Ukraine conflict, Russian forces have unleashed a major offensive on Avdiivka, with 610 artillery shellings reported near the eastern Ukrainian town over the past day, according to the Ukrainian military. Dubai, UAE 11th December 2023 COP28's Food, Agriculture, and Water Day witnessed significant developments as nations made major commitments to address climate impacts and strive to maintain the 1.5 degrees Celsius target. US President Joe Biden has invited his Ukrainian counterpart Volodymyr Zelensky to the White House tomorrow. During the meeting, the two leaders will discuss Ukraine's energy needs and the importance of the US's continued support for Kyiv. Sports news. Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Anurag Singh Thakur today formally declared the Khelo India Para Games 2023 open in a dazzling ceremony at the KD Jadhav Indoor Hall in New Delhi. In Khelo India Para Games, Monu Ghangas from Haryana won gold in the mains discus throw F11 category with a massive effort of 34.23 meters. Neelam Sanjay Reddy from Andhra Pradesh won silver with a 26.46 meters effort. India's Ashwini Ponnappa and Tanisha Crasto win women's doubles title at Guwahati Masters Badminton Tournament. In women's cricket, India defeated England by 5 wickets in the third and final T20 international at Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai last night. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead. Like, share and subscribe our channel.